one man when he be say in wife just stand up one day, carry waka, carry their children, run commot. Three of their children run commot. Till now, nobody know where she did. That the number for here. The man day here. Oga, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Welcome to our backyard. What's your name, sir?
Senu Ezekiel.
Simu.
Senu. Senu.
Where you come from?
I'm from Semeboda.
Oh, Semeboda. Your wife where you marry? Where she from?
From a quarrel state.
Where she don't go back to Kwara. In fact, tell us what's be the issue. Moko hear you again.
The issue is that I'm after to see my children.
Okay.
Yesterday making it 4 years.
Wow.
4 years that I've set my eye on the boy. The boy is 12 years. The last boy.
Wow.
The first daughter, they left the house. When they left the house,
Yes.
after something like 3 months to 4 months,
Yes.
that girl get pregnant.
Jesus.
Until today, I used to see the girl once a while.
Okay. For Lagos here.
And I've seen the girl, but the girl birthday was day before yesterday. I still speak with him day before yesterday.
You spoke to her day for yesterday.
I spoke with her
Okay.
day before yesterday. But I haven't seen the boy that pregnant her. Did not allow me to see it. The baby did not allow you to see it. And when the girl get pregnant, because I'm working on the girl admission to enter University of Loring.
Yes.
When they left, they released the first batch.
Yes.
We are waiting for the second batch when they left.
Wow.
And when they left, after 3 to 4 months, the girl get pregnant.
Wow.
And they did not let me know till the girl put to bed. After the girl put to bed, somebody now give me information that
Yes.
do I know whether I know I put to bed? And I say no. At the end of the day, I found it is true.
Wow.
So since then, they have been hiding into me.
Well, now, wetin be the reason we make your wife una marry?
We marry, we do Muslim wedding, we do church wedding.
Wetin? Oh, she be Christian, abi na you be Christian?
I'm a Christian, she's a Muslim.
Okay, wetin make her just stand up run comot?
You know, she too pompous. After we marry, sometime after we marry, about getting to 10 years, what I normally hear from her, she will say that somebody see her on the road going now, she will think that she's a governor wife. Why she's a furniture wife. I'm a furniture maker.
Yeah.
I will want to say that I take care of you. That's where you now people now be seeing you.
Yes.
But the real issue that brought me here is that to see my children.
You not even her, not concern you with her.
Because the children then they are my.
Now your own children. Now your daughter, your first daughter, you say you not talk for phone day before you say they will be her birthday, which means you get her phone number.
I have her phone number.
Now, which means, but you feel see her anytime where you want to see her.
No way.
Wow.
Since then, I saw her 3 times.
And that time since for the past 4 years where you don't see her 3 times, how una take see where una meet? She just dey waka for road, you see am, abi she come meet you somewhere, abi you meet am somewhere. How?
The girl that followed that one, when my wife left house, after the 3rd day, she went to Human Right at Ikeja.
Yes.
And I know the senior sister that follow her, that is behind on this thing. And I don't know, because I'm so friendly with all the family.
Yes.
Even with this thing that happened, many of the family, some brother that relate with the family, some of them are not happy about it.
They're not happy about the thing.
But my wife has 2 pompous.
You dey beat am?
It's not that I beat her.
But now they fight.
But I've slapped her about 3 times. See, we married for 20. It's about to 26 years before she left house.
Okay.
I hate to beat a woman.
Dear
But
customer,
she put me into. That's why I don't carry cane to beat her.
I be try call her now.
She get another one.
Second number.
This one we don't top here. This one.
Okay, that is second one for me. Now you say you know they like to dey beat women, but what it, but I mean according to you, you slap her 3 times. If you don't like to dey beat women, what thing can lead to you to slapping her? Slapping now, so a form of beating now.
The first beating, when I know her,
Uh,
she learned a tailor.
mm,
And she's about to free, so she's looking for money. I met her, she's where she's working. They're always saying all this boba.
yeah.
But when I met her, the first thing that she did, the ending of month of that very day, that month, her salary, as we started dating, she bring the salary, she give to me. That thing has shocked me. I don't see her the same time as a house material.
Okay, you see, I'm as wife material,
As a wife
because
material.
of say she carry salary give you.
Because salary. So
Wow.
I did not take the salary. I give her back, hold
The
it.
money, okay.
Because of that, I see her as a house material. I don't take her to where she's sewing boba, to where she will be sewing something like a suit.
Oh,
so that
make
she-
it for day better than
Pay better.
yeah.
So take her to somewhere at the first tag. We are living at Agboju, where she can be sewing. They can learn good, so that I can open shop
For her.
So from there, as she started doing the work, when I took her there, they will be paying her. They are paying her, but they see that it's just like someone that they are paying about let's say something like 120 then. And when I took her to first tag, they are paying something like 700,
Okay.
because that one is one of one in Gambia man.
Okay, it's not be Nigerian people.
And so they are sewing high this thing, sending to oversee all those things.
So her money plenty, which they collect for that side.
Yeah, but unfortunately, at the end of about 2 months later, they find out that she cannot meet up with what they are sewing there. They now say they will reduce the salary. Just in process of that one, like 2 months later, I started dating another man.
How you take note? Say she did it.
So as as you want to marry a woman,
Yeah.
you will like to be following.
Okay,
the
you
woman.
never marry am that time.
I never marry.
So she can date anybody where she want date. Okay.
So when on this now, I have the information because it's through me that I put in the place. I have information that dating one filling station manager.
Okay.
On me got seen hear that thing, so I tried to stop her. She now take it to anger. So that's the fourth time.
Now the first time when you beat her, before una marry, una never marry when you beat her that first time.
We now fight. When we fight, he went to go and take police to arrest me.
Okay.
So that's the what forced this thing.
Okay.
So it's not that. So that's the first argument we have.
Yeah.
And after that, she begged me. My people say no, I should not marry her. As she begged me, I forgive her.
Una come later marry.
We can't let her marry.
Okay.
But during the marriage, she's someone that is a woman that some things that she'll be telling you, a man doesn't accept that kind of thing. Like a woman to be telling you now that what her friend is accepting inside the marriage, she can never accept that. No man can try that one with her. So man doesn't take in that kind of thing there.
Yeah.
Even if you cannot take, you will not be telling your husband
All
that
those kind of things, yes.
So those are some the area. Even the fight we fight, no, the parents they don't support her.
Yeah.
When we fight, sisters that hear about it, they don't support her.
This matter we would handle, so the matter the matter plenty. Which of them we go call? No?
The wife no, her number no go abi.
I want to try call the wife again. Because a lot of things don't they come outside. A lot of things don't they come outside. Would they hear you? You can talk. The 2 number. Okay, if you talk, your mic there, your mouth.
She have 2 numbers.
Now the second one I dey try call, but she not pick the second one. The first one they ring, and the first one not connect at all. Now the second one they ring, but she not they pick the second. So she still there this Lagos. I bet she don't go back to Kwara.
She's in Lagos.
She dey
Oh,
stay
she
this
dey
Lagos.
Lagos.
Now,
That is
which side she dey stay for, mainland or for island?
I don't know where she's staying now.
Okay. Okay. Now, plenty things they come out, from the G's. When would they off air? Dial the next number we will call. When would they off air? They talk with Oga. We don't talk. We don't hear a lot of other things. When she go afar. Different things. But it not gonna make sense if we just dey hear from one side. Which person be this?
And her elder sister,
Her elder sister. Make we call somebody from her own camp.
Mrs. Omotegini.
Omotegi.
Omoteji. Hello, ma. Good morning, ma. Mrs. Omoteji. Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
God bless you, ma. My name na Nedu. I dey call you from Wazobia FM, ma.
From where?
From Wazobia FM.
Mazida FM or what?
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Radio station. Wazobia FM.
Wazobia, okay.
Yes, ma. So quick one, ma. Make I not waste your time too much. So we get Daddy Anu for Inside Studio. We come meet us on top the issue when he be saying they go through with his wife. About him not being able to see in children. And plenty other things. We don't try call the wife, but she not answer our phone call. Now we say make we call you, we be the elder sister. Because first of all, we don't ask am say, you get any reason? Wetin be the reason we make your wife run leave house? We be say till today. She not come back and she not even allow the children see am. He say he not know the reason. So we dey try call the wife, make we know wait kilo shele gangan. Wetin be the reason? May it not be like say we just hear from one side. You understand? And we not hear from another side. It not go make sense at all. Now we say since we call her T1, we call. May we call you. Boya Emma ṣàlàyé fún wa.
Well, the little I know about their relationship, they've been married for the past 20 to 22 years.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yeah.
They've been married for the past 20 to 22 years.
Yes, ma'am.
And over the time, they've been having issues.
Okay. What kind of issues?
There have been marital violence.
Okay. On which person's side? Which person's side? Who they beat who?
Well, the husband and the wife, they're always fighting.
Okay.
They are always fighting. And it got to a stage, the sister and my sister, who happens to be the wife,
Yes.
said she cannot continue
Anymore.
like that.
Yes.
Meanwhile, she is a known asthmatic patient.
She or him?
She,
Okay.
the
The wife. Okay.
she's a known asthmatic patient.
Mm.
I think the last problem they had was when she had attack at the midnight, and she said she called the husband, and the husband told her, if you won't die, make you die. So at that stage, it's now involving life, and she said she cannot continue.
Okay, that was what she told you. Now what did she tell you be that?
That's what she told me.
Okay.
Well,
You know the reason we make her not agree, make daddy and not see the children, because that one and they most important now. Anything will happen between the two of them. Now then sabi.
Let me hello, sir. Let me explain.
Okay, ma.
So at a point, she went to what's it called? The
Human rights.
at Alausa,
Yes.
and they called the two of them, which I happen to be the third party.
Yes.
No, I don't know when she initially went there. They now gave them an appointment, inviting probably one of the relatives from both sides. So I happened to be on ground on the day they asked them to come again.
Yes.
And on that fateful day, I remember the people that were involved was when they talked to my sister, and she insisted that she no fit continue in that marriage again. It's not until when she died before we go know the next thing for her to, before we will not say, I didn't know. So she insisted. Those people were trying to, she insisted. And at a point, the people now said, well, if the woman can insist like this, then now only she know wetin her hide.
They see, yes.
Okay, you wait with the husband. As it is now, these children, you know, what are their ages? They both told them their age. And they now ask the husband, as it is, this woman says she don't tire to stay with you. And that she would prefer her children to be with her. What are the things that you will be using to support her? Or probably on monthly basis or weekly basis or something.
Yes.
And the husband said, no, he cannot, he can't promise anything. That the wife knows that he's a handcraft
Person.
man.
Yes.
That he's not having a stable income. So he cannot say specifically, this is how much he will be giving her.
Yes.
They made him to make that promise. He insisted that no, he can't tell them, he can't commit himself that he is not, his income is not stable. Okay, when those people now felt that, well, he's adamant, they now referred the case to another section at Human Rights in Igodo.
Yes.
From Alausa. They gave my sister a letter to take to Igodo. But at a point, my sister now said, is there any point? If he has insisted in their presence now that he can't promise and he's not even ready to give anything, except they must come back to the house. And my sister said she's not going back to the house because she doesn't want to come and die. So my sister now said there's no point taking that letter to that place that they were referred to at Igodo.
Yes.
For further, like I think maybe it's a kind of magistrate court for marriage.
Yes.
So my sister said there's no point. That is like he's not ready to take up his
Responsibility, yes.
There's no point in going anywhere. So she decided to keep the letter. She's still with the letter till date. She decided to keep the letter and move out of the house with the children. And that's why she now said, no, he's not going to see those children since he has refused taking any responsibility on them.
Okay.
He insisted that they must come back home before he can, that he's not the one that sent them away.
Okay.
So if they don't come back home...
Hold on, ma. Thank you. Ma, God bless you for this insight. Just hold on, ma. Daddy anu na true say you talk say now until the children come back before you go take care of them.
They wanted to put me. They wanted to put me that I will rent a house, do this, do that.
Say you go rent house.
I will rent house. They want to put on my phone to be as expensive. I said that I'm living a 3-bedroom.
Yes.
If they cannot take care of the children, let the children come.
But so which means waiting our auntie they talk now. Now true. Say you talk say until the children come to you, say you not go take care of them. Not true.
I'm not. I tell them that if they go,
yes,
the children can be coming.
Yes.
If I'm seeing my children, I'll be taking care of my children. They are not allow me to see them.
Auntie me. She in talk say make the children they go they come in go they take care of them. Say but una not even allow them at all to see the children. So
my brother.
Yes.
Asking as the children come afterwards, what was his response? 1, 2. Have we sent the children's school fees on several occasions? Did he ever send any money based on that? If I'm counting, that should be over 4 or 5 years now.
Yes, 4 years.
Has he attempted paying the school fees at all?
But you don't pay any of those school fees.
That's why I said
for the past 4 or 5 years.
For the past 4 years, you don't Daddy, no, hold on. For the past 4 years, you don't pay their school fees.
They don't allow me to see them.
No. It's not that one. So you never paid the school fees for the past 4 years. Okay. Do you know what?
Last year.
Do you know what is okay? Is okay, mommy.
Sir?
Now, let's not. But Daddy, no, hold on, mommy. If we they talk from now till tomorrow, talk day.
Yes,
This one they wrong. This one they right. This one they wrong. This one they right. It not go change anything. Right now, nothing concern me with him. Nothing concern me with the wife. Go come. The people that I'm most concerned about are the children. because in complain say for at a time for 2 years they won lost school, they did not go to school. Now the promise, the promise I want to the agreement that I would not like us to have, if possible we'll have to revisit this matter maybe on Wednesday or something like that. If he starts taking his responsibility of paying school fees and maybe once in a while send upkeep for the children, will your family allow him to be seeing his children?
Sir, there's nobody that stops me from seeing his children.
Okay.
And please help me ask him, was he at the school, at the boarding house where I sent the second child, where I sent her to, was he there or not few months back? Did he see the girl or not? I sent the girl to a federal girls secondary school, Queen School in Lorry,
yes.
a federal school for that matter.
Yes.
The girl is presently in SS2.
Yes.
And the girl was in JS2 when they left the house.
Yes.
The girl is in a federal school. On notice, he went to the girl's school and saw the girl. The girl even almost shouted on him, but like I've told the school authority that he's free to see them. So he was lucky anyway, because if we are giving a notice at the school that anytime they come, they should lock him up, I think he will not go trusting.
Now, another.
It is a lie. Lie. She's selling lie.
So what is lie?
Was he there to see the girl or not?
You go to school, go see.
They don't know that we go. They have told them. I used to call the guardian. They have stopped.
Hold on, sir.
With the school field, he refused paying anything.
Okay, hold on. Edono, hold on. Babanu.
Yeah.
I understand where you dey come from. See, this matter, if you like, make we talk from now till tomorrow. One thing they certain, I dey hear you talk.
Since then, I've never see. It's the one time that they send a total about 70,000. The left half is not up to this. I'm angry. When the girl came, it's 70,300. I carry 73,000. Give it to Anu. See, then I've never seen anyone. Last year.
Okay, they're not they send you bill for school fees since that time.
Nothing.
Ma'am, you said only once they don't send them school fees bill.
The school fees we sent him. Did he pay?
He said he sent 70,300 and he gave Anu 73,000.
Probably Anu used that one for herself, not for herself.
They're not being fault.
It's lie.
Yes, ma, I can hear you.
Anu presently, did you know how Anu got to that school? Anu presently, glory be to God, she's in her final year in the university. She's in her final year in the university. Now, every after, Anu just finished secondary school when they left the house. So from that time till now that she's in her final year, it's 73,000 Anu used.
So which means Anu the university now, yeah?
Yeah, she's in her final year. She's
not in university.
Exam.
It's not university. Don't take lie. I paid 3 years. I paid 3 times for Anu last year.
Which her final exam?
Which
I paid Anu twice last year.
And since that time, is that 73,000 that they?
I'm not talking about Anu. I'm not talking about Anu.
Let me leave you for a bit. I will call you back. Give me like small time. I will call you back. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Make we go. Mo.
The woman have been the problem to this marriage.
Give me small time. I'll call you back, ma. Okay.
No problem.
Thank you, ma. Okay. Anyway, make we enter market. Once we come back, we'll call Anu herself. We'll go hear from Anu herself. And this matter, it very simple. As far as I'm concerned, this matter is very simple. Okay, wetin you define? Okay, I go do this one. I go do this one. When I go give me this one, yes. Then issues not go there. But anyway, make we go market, come back. We go call Anu, and then we'll call this auntie back again. Most I will go take settle this matter once and for all. Will they come back?
Every as it happen inside our studio.
Follow us on top Instagram at Wazobia FM Lagos.
I say no touch that time. Okay. When malaria show up and the fever is so hot, if you want your body to turn up, just shala to charlatan. When you're feeling fever and you lose your ginger, if you want to beat malaria, just shala to charlatan. No dey dull yourself, shala to charlatan. Anytime malaria show, shala to charlatan.
No let malaria comot action for your body. Nakam Shalatem, a brand of anti-malaria wey contain artemether and lumefantrine. Shalatem na medicine from Shalina Healthcare Nigeria. Shalatem dem get am for every age group dem. Make you remember to always take Shalatem with food. If symptom no change after 3 days, go see your doctor o.
Una know say na more than 3 months person take dey sleep for 1 year? So where you dey sleep?
I sleep on Sarah Beauty.
I sleep on Sarah Flex.
I sleep on Sarah Liberty.
I sleep on Sarah Ultima.
I sleep on Sarah Prestige.
I sleep on Sarah Superstar.
I just bought my mom Sarah Omega.
We sleep on Sarah Foam.
Good. Even me, I dey sleep for Sarah Foam. After the day's activities, when man don tire, I go come lie down to cool my brain for Sarah Foam. Sarah Foam na more than mattress. Sarah Foam, comfort without rival.
Plenty mountains there to climb up. Plenty bills if there your mind, oh yeah. You still they try, you still they grind. And believe they say you go get them more. With FCMB, you go get them more. With FCMB, you go get them. Cash secure loan, you go get them. Fast cash, quick money, you go get them. Mortgage loan, whip up cool, you go get them. Salary loan, you go get them. Life go set for you, you go get them. With FCMB, you go get them.
Answer urgent needs with FCMB Fast Cash and access other convenient loans to achieve short and long-term goals. Visit www.fcmb.com for inquiries. Simply dial *329*11# or log into FCMB new mobile app and select loans to apply now. FCMB, my bank and I.
There is always more to share at our iftar table, filled with pasta, semo, noodles, and many more.
Cook up nutritious meals and memories with our range of quality products from Golden Penny. Golden Penny, at the heart of the family.
1xBet makes you a winner. Spot a chance to own the game. Seize that opportunity to take fate into your own hands. All it takes is one crazy decision to change the game. Are you ready to win and set the stage for your success? This is how winners are made. Place your bet on 1xBet.ng. Use promo code BESTNIGERIA. Be that lucky winner. 1xBet. Bets for every taste.
Does your toothpaste give you complete fresh protection? New Close-Up Toothpaste Complete Fresh Protection takes care of your 5 important oral care needs. It gives you strong teeth, prevents tooth holes, cleans deeply, fights bacteria, and gives you fresh breath. Complete fresh protection from Close-Up.
So now who fit tell me wetin I wan cook?
E dey smooth.
Yes na.
Shey I go fit use my hand roll am well well.
Yes na.
E dey flow with egusi well so.
That one na correct.
What about draw soup?
That one na die.
Vegetable soup nko?
Una don use una number 6 well oh. Yeah, make we follow call this better wakis.
Honeywell Semolina.
Honeywell Semolina dey smooth. E no dey hard to roll for hand at all. And the taste na ogbonge. Honeywell Semolina na collabo for any soup wey dey kampe. Honeywell Semolina, better chop wey dey jolly jolly.
The best things in life are free. Free drinks, free food, free opportunities, free. You get the point. But just when you thought it couldn't get any better. In comes Jumia's free delivery in Lagos and Abuja. Enjoy free delivery on thousands of products when you place an order above 4,999 naira in Lagos and Abuja only. So start ordering your everyday essentials today on Jumia. Jumia, your everyday delivered.
Introducing the new Olike Oat Flour with its amazing recipes, oat swallow, oat bread, and lots more.
Olike Foods oat flour contains 100% all-grain pure oats, grown, harvested and packed in the UK just for you. It helps to reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, improve immune system defenses, control blood pressure, reduce the risk of asthma in children. Olike Foods oat flour is available in supermarkets and stores nationwide. For bulk purchase, contact the sole distributor Amaboy Care on 0906 446 9525 or at Amaboy Care on Instagram and Facebook.
Welcome back, everybody.
All right, now welcome back to our backyard. Welcome back to our backyard. Quick one. I want quickly call back that auntie will just follow talk now. Follow her talk now before we even settle down. Call Anu herself. But the number. Let's say she done. They call the sister. The sister will not agree to take our phone call. I just want to tell her waiting there for my mind, because the truth is, all of them waiting there, they hear me. Whether man feed do what he do, what he supposed to do as a father or not, he not stop you. He not give anybody right to say, okay, you're not supposed to see your pikin. No.
But see this kind of thing now.
He not give anybody right.
No, let you say one pack. Only you still carry children.
Only you still carry children. Only you see the first the man. If you not rent house, you pay. Now, okay, now you go be father to the children. You are not going to be father to the children, no matter what the issue be.
Like I built 3-bedroom for Lagos. I carry my children come out, so now they go. I don't understand anything that happen for these marriages nowadays.
No matter wetin happen, I go talk. I'm not gonna hear me well. Every woman will hear me well. Whether the man they do responsibility or not, he not stop you. Hello, ma.
Hello.
Yes, ma. Sorry. We had to call to go market. Mommy, it got things where I want to talk. I just wanted you to finish. Make her hear everything where you talk. Now, you they aware also say Anu bin get belle, but no one made the papa know.
What do you expect of a girl that the father has refused his responsibility on her?
Mama. Kima koro fun yin. You are part of the problem.
Yes, sir.
You are part of the problem. From everything where they talk, from the thing where you they talk now, it's quite obvious. I'm sorry, but the things, the Bible says, follow peace with all men. That is what this show is about. To look for peace. There's something I need to point out. Whether man is a duty of every man to take care of his children. It's duty of every man to pay school fees, protect their children, because he is the Lord over those children. Now him be the head where God put over those children. Now, whether that man not fit provide or whether the man fit provide, it not change the fact say the man na their papa. It not change the fact say the man go fit still be there, give them fatherly advice, fatherly protection, and other things where he supposed to do. But when you can't put restriction on top am based on the fact say could provide, then it's a problem. Mommy, I think you being the elder one there. Mommy, Momo, I'll go talk my mind and I'll let you talk. You being the elder person there, you were supposed to have brought them down, sat them down, try and find a lasting solution on this thing. Do you understand? But the way you are, what even make me talk now? Now this pregnancy one where you talk, no, it's too bad.
Too bad a statement.
It's too bad a statement. I they keep quiet, make I they hear everything where you go talk. But this pregnancy one where you talk, it just tear my cap. It's here. I just so no. I feel say, Mama, you suppose don't settle this matter since this man is waiting. This man they ask for. What is he asking for? He not ask. He not want the wife back. All he wants is give me opportunity to be seeing my children. He said for 4 years, his son, he has not seen him.
Okay.
Now the school fees where you they talk, Mommy, the school fees where you they talk. The school fees where you they talk, where he say 70,000. Apparently, not be Anu. Now for the younger one, Toto. Now for the younger one, Tolu Alashe now they do for. You know, say Anu Papa buy phone for Anu last year. You know every other expenses we in do for Anu last year. You don't know. Okay. Madam, whatever you are doing in this life, now the children make you they think of. Now the children. Who is okay? The boy now where be the boy? Who be the fatherly person? We go advise the boy on how to be a man in this life.
A real man.
A real man. Who will do that? Those children will end up coming back hating you and hating their mother. Anyway, Mommy, I go call you back. Make I call Anu. I go call you back.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you, ma.
Did he tell you I'm the one that is preventing him from seeing his
children? Mommy, you don't need tell me. No, they are not with you. You don't need tell me. Mommy,
are they with me?
Mommy, listen to what I tell you. Listen to what I tell you. Whether now you dey behind them or not be you dey behind them. Mama, you are the elder sister. You are supposed to. Mommy, I don't know. Mommy, I don't know. I don't want to disrespect you, man.
How many times have we called? Have we called them to intervene in that? In their case before it came to this.
Okay,
to this
mommy, Oda, no. Mommy, I don't know. Mommy, say mommy. We are where we are now. Joe.
Okay.
How do we make things better? That is my question.
Oga, what I'm asking you
is
that are those children with me? Are they in my
No, they are not with you. They are not with you.
So
now you are the axe. You are the now you
when he went to Toto school, did you see her or not?
Not be only to the go
Madam,
school.
They go back and forth.
That's my problem. Mommy, let's not go back and forth.
We don't say you know where the children do.
No, you are putting blame that
she have told them the Toto school that they did not allow me see the Toto.
Mommy, listen to what I'm saying. Mommy, listen to what I'm saying. Wait till they talk now, say. Not be you, more take am say not be you say make you not see the children. And also the children they live with their parents. My question is, what is your role as a big auntie to the children and to your own younger sister where her marriage don't scatter? What is your role to the children to take for make sure say their father they in their life? That is all. So what we go do? How do we settle this thing? That is all I'm asking.
You are not playing any role. Please, did you ask Baba and what has been my role?
Oh, Jesus is Lord. Mommy, let's not go back. Let us not go back. I am asking, say, how do we settle this? How do we move forward? That's all I'm asking. How do we move forward?
Call Anu. You said I'm the one behind the problem.
Madam, as the elder sister to the woman, would they ask how we go to move forward?
Elder
you see, they go back to ask this person.
How do we move forward? Okay, no problem. No problem. So, my people, una don't they hear how everything they go now? Una don't they see him now?
Call this. Have you asked him if he did this?
Una don't they see him? Not be so now. We know what we are talking about. Eh?
She disappointed me for human right. After a year, I went to human right. They call my wife. She's the one that tell my wife to no come.
Anu, hello, Anu, how are you? My name na Nedu. I dey call you from Wazobia FM. Your daddy dey studio here with us, so we dey talk about issues we call. Wait, you hear me?
I'm hearing you.
So we dey talk about issues we concern, him not being able to see una, you, Toto, and the boy, and plenty other things. Okay. By the way, you dey school, Abi?
Yeah, I'm in school. I'm in my final year.
Okay, which school you dey? You dey school now, Abi? You dey house?
Yeah, I'm actually on teaching practice.
Me, bro?
I'm actually on teaching practice. I'm on teaching practice.
DJ Kini.
Teaching practice.
Okay, teaching practice. Okay, so you are busy now.
No, I'm not busy. I'm lazy.
Anu, Wetin go settle this quarrel between how una go take settle this problem wey dey ground to make sure say your father get access to una wey be in children. Make you not.
Okay, the real fact that my mom actually left the house due to domestic violence and emotional abuse.
Yes, all those parts, we hear all those parts. But now say okay.
Why my mom refused for us to go because when they separated, she went to far right and they asked him that if he would
take care of you people, Abi.
Yeah, exactly.
Now,
so
Anu. I know obviously Wetin don't transpire before we call you, but more not talk about the phone calls. But you know thing will happen. I know the question why they ask you. Forget, I don't want to talk whether you don't talk to your auntie before we call you or not. No. I know the question why they ask you now say, so now una like make it day, make you not get relationship with your papa because of say your partner they do what you're supposed to do. Now what do you want? Now yes or no, now what do you want? Make you not get relationship with your papa because you're not doing work as a father. But anyway, we go call you back. Which advice when I go advise on no papa? Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning. One day, as a man, what would they talk?
Nah, Jim Coyne.
What you go advise on no papa in the hear you?
As a business, what you don't happen.
Yes.
So what they're supposed to do now? And just call all the families together.
Yes.
But then settle things, make things they as it did before. So now we get to talk with that.
No problem.
But then forgive and forget.
Okay.
All right, not shaking.
Talk to us, we hear you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Everyone, them watching they say not too much of talk.
Yes.
But what I want to try to say is that we will be mothers.
Yes.
Let's try to control our family, no matter what. Because sometimes like this, no matter, sometimes something will happen, but let's take it easy because tomorrow, we don't know tomorrow.
Yes.
So at least if something like that happens, let mama and papa sit down before you will be mama, you go carry your children, they run out. No. Let's try to control our anger.
Yes.
So as the first caller said, let us go together, the two families sit down.
Yes.
Let the man beg.
Yes.
Because already the woman don't spoil all the children.
Yes.
They don't put word for their mouth. Make them don't know their papa. So let them go and sit down. Let them go and settle with their family.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Daddy Anu, your family members don't sit down with our family members to settle this quarrel.
My elder brother brought me to Lagos.
Yes.
He have gone after like 6 months.
Yes.
Or to 8 months.
After they come out.
After they come, he went to go and see my mother-in-law.
Yes.
But this woman that talk now, the senior sister, is the breadwinner of the family. So whatever she say, that what is happening.
So what did she talk that time? Put the mark for your mouth well.
All what my brother went and discussed with the mother-in-law. We did not see result. So this sister is is one that control the family, is the breadwinner of the family. Whatever she say, that what happen.
So now, so which means your family don't go there. Now only once then go. They don't try go again to see whether solution will come from this thing.
Okay, reason they did not try go again. As I went to human right after a year, they are the one that take me to human right. I went to the human right after a year because people are telling that I should come. Hold on. But after a year, I went to human right. As I went to human right, they call her. She didn't come. She said she's out of Lagos. Then asked when she going to come back. She said she'll come back maybe next month. The next month, the lawyers there, they call her. She didn't come. This sister that behind it, whatever she says inside the family, that find her. Even the boy in the family did not get him out.
Okay. Now now we don't reach like that. We no want even start going into the matter of say. Because all of them now don't talk say according to the other sister and the other sister talk say you been they beat the woman your wife and your daughter too also talk say they beat them too. We not get proof for that one. We don't know whether not true or whether not be lie, but we know how we always take note that they beat person on top of this show. But anyways, we'll go back to phone call too. Now, but if they tell you now, we plenty people on the talk now, say make una sit down, find a way to settle. What be the thing where you go do to find a way to bring the solution to this thing?
If I say I should go to the mother, I'll go to the mother. If it this senior sister, did not accept,
she must stay there.
If she says she no go, the
so which means the final talk on top of this matter now, this elder sister.
That's the senior sister.
Wow.
She's
and if the elder sister they talk like this, so where one concert to the matter from? Hello, who on the phone line?
Hello,
ma. Good morning.
This matter now.
Yes.
I don't see that woman is the cause of everything. The woman has spoiled the mind of that lady, and those, in short, is the final solution. But what I will tell you now is everything must go by force. Because you will not tell me that this woman, her power is bigger than government own or police own or anything. We must go with the force, and she must surrender by force if she don't want to surrender in a peaceful way. That is what I can say. We will not leave the matter like that, because that means that the power of this woman, that's everybody. The woman is a wicked woman.
Thank you. Now, bring me back to Wetin we talk before. I beg, all of una when it be say be mothers out there and be parents out there, because he don't get one man we will call also on top of this show when he be say the wife say the wife send am rubber and the wife send am rubber go see go come rubber so therefore the wife not go fit see the children again. See, all I go tell una be say pikin need mama, pikin need papa. Whether the papa and the mama dey together, that one a different conversation entirely. Make una always find a way to allow your parents to dey present for the life of the children. Papa Anu talk am now say the day wey he call Anu for phone, abi for video call, Anu he tell Anu say okay, oya before I go send you money oya make I talk to my son, make I talk to your brother. Ngbo wetin happen?
The boy, when I'm talking to the boy, I say, good luck. The name is Good Luck. I say, good luck. How are you? How's your school? Why are you not asking for your father? He said, my mommy will kill me.
You see him?
They swear to not enter the boy.
So the thing now don't even enter. They don't already know. So okay, now matter of even threats now. They're not born you well to think of your papa. They're not born you well to even ask for your father.
When they leave her, when my wife first of all leave us, like about something like a 3 months time or 2 months time, the first of all since somebody is calling me that I should meet at Abuja High Court.
Yes.
The number is with me. I have to go to lawyer. I have to go to Panti. They send me to lawyer. I drag this thing, but they say they have to arrest her, and I don't want anything that they should polish her. That's why I withdraw the case. They started threatening me. I have all the document here. They started threatening me that I should meet at this in High Court at Abuja. All the thing that is inside with me here, all the document is here.
Why they be threatening you?
They are threatening me that they said that they said that whether me that use a head trek down to Lagos, and I come to Lagos now, I meet a woman in Lagos. I started doing, I don't know.
I know it don't make sense to me.
I have some tests here. I have some tests that they are sent to me here.
Make I see the paper where they sent to you. Show favor the paper they sent to you. Why we take phone call? More read WhatsApp message. More read WhatsApp message. Bring the paper. Give to.
This one said, "Good morning, Ogane. Please let that they are not start sending money, take care of the children, and the children will come to him. That is what I did to my daughter."
Daddy Anu, you dey hear with the person that advise you. He say, "Good morning, Ogane. Let Daddy Anu start sending money and take care of his children. The children will come to him. That is what I did to my daughter, and she's the one asking me to come and take her for holidays."
Thank you.
What did I tell you?
Thank you. Where to send the money? Wait,
Daddy Anu, I told you when we dey break. I don't tell you. Listen to me, sir. If possible, now 3 children you get, Anu get her own account. I beg her.
Yeah.
Toto, you go tell them, say for you to send money to them.
Make them
open account for each person and make it be the person name. Good luck go get your own name, your own account. Toto go get her own account. Anu get her own account. At every point, maybe once in a month or twice, however your pocket take do. When you send money, you go send money to each of them their account. Oto.
I went to Toto when I went to Toto to see Toto about 2 months ago at the school. I said that I cannot open account for her. They say it's not up to 18 years. That one is
no, you fit open account for
pikin wey they open account for small pikin now.
When those children are with me, they have no one day. My wife have no one day went to the family, any of the family, to go and take 50 naira, and those children are going to Royal Peace School in the Obadore. Private. I used to tell my wife I didn't go school. You two didn't go school. The children have to go to school. Now they are doing my children the way they like.
Anyway,
I beg government to help me.
Government not go help you for this one. I don't tell you what you go do, because if you like knock head for ground up and down, it boils down to the same thing. That they know, take responsibility for your children. Now you bonding. Now there then go.